Assalamualaikum. We are Y Generation. We would like to represent you a short movie for our assignment about places for holiday in Malaysia. The place that we have choose is Terjun, Sekayu, Terengganu. Please enjoy. In the Sekayu Recreational Forest in Kuala Berang. It can be accessed 60 km from Kuala Berang and 56 km from Kuala Terengganu.
Lalu tuang di atas timur, jangan lupa mari semua. Negeri Tenun, tema Soho, tempat molek. Tanah subur, tempat molek. Tanah subur.
Sekayu Recreation Forest, better known as the Niagara Sekayu, located in the Reserve Forest Hulu Terengganu. It is located 60 km from Kuala Berang town and 56 km from the city of Kuala Terengganu. Various species of plants and trees in this forest that have high medicinal properties. The uniqueness of the forest is a 3-level waterfall, and the water is clear and could make anyone interested when coming to visit here.
Terengganu kita. Terengganu kita. Wah, dengan apa lo? Ya, lewat tahu.
Okay, as you can see in here, there is a lot of facilities that we can use here, such as chalet, restroom, and bridge that we can cross over the river. Okay.
We can come here for picnic or camping, but you have to bring your own supplies. There are no restaurants here.
Wow, look at the trees in the water. It feels so cool to play in the water and sip the water. Since the waterfall located in deep forest, they can enjoy themselves in jungle trekking on the part right here. Other than that, waterfall Sekayu also can explore the natural landscape and countless flora and fauna. To offer more choices to the visitors, Sekayu waterfall also there is a fruit orchard, mini zoo, and also bird park. That's why this recreational park has become one of the prominent tourism destination for this year.
Pulau Kampas, Pulau Redang, kita lalu ikut merang. Jangan lupa Kuala Berang, Sekayu comel. Zaman
The reason why Sekayu is very famous is of its many unique neighbors such as the waterfall, a lot of
bersama.
Can get relaxed ourselves and mind while enjoying the beautiful sceneries over here, such as waterfall, bird, green trees, and calm environment.
Comel, zaman bersama.
Well then, how about that everyone? That's all our travel today. There are many beautiful places in Malaysia, and one of them is Taman Air Terjun Sekayu. So I call for all of you to come over here and see it for yourself. I believe you will never reject it. So what are you waiting for? Bye.
Terengganu kita. Terengganu kita.